Hey guys, it's David over here at Platapi. I wanted to do a quick demo on using Platapi for the backend since I have a mobile app that currently doesn't have a backend. As you can see here on this mobile app, we have some buttons here but no data. So what we're going to do here is I actually built an OpenAPI specification specifying the structure that I want the database or the backend to return. So I'm going to go ahead and go to Platapi, and I'm going to create an endpoint, and I'm going to choose this file. Like I said, I've already created this, and click open, and this is going to create us a backend. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here to my get requests and go to books, and I'm going to copy this URL by clicking this, and then I'm going to go to my code base here as soon as I find VS Code. And then we are going to change this domain to the domain that we added here. And we'll take the books off of there. Okay, so we saved that. And now, when I come back in here, if I go to TBR, I may have to refresh it. Here, let's refresh this real quick. Okay, and there we go. So now we have our data. So all of this information came from Platapi. So what's cool about that is now I can continue developing the front end of my mobile app, and the back end doesn't have to exist. Because I've defined this OpenAPI specification, as long as my backend API returns this structure, then whenever I'm done, I can just drop in the domain of the actual backend, and I'll be ready to rock and roll. I'll go ahead and show you. You can also test this here. If you click test endpoint, you'll see some different books being returned back. But anyways, wanted to show you that feature. If you're interested, head on over to platapi.com. You can click sign up. We have a free trial if you want to check it out.